Okay guys, so first you want to head over to the link which will be down below in the description, and you want to download this DLL file, WSC SVC64. I'll leave a link down below. You just want to download this. Scroll down and then click on download. You also want to head over to the second link which will be down below in the description, which will take you into this Google Drive. You want to download this file, which includes the reg file and the txt file. Click on download. Now I've got both these files in my downloads folder. You want to hover over both of them, and then you want to right click, hold, and then you want to drag it to your desktop, which will then let you extract it. You want to click on extract, and then you want to click on extract again. Now you want to double click on the .reg folder, and then you want to click on this file right here. Click on run, and then click on yes, and then click on yes again. Now you want to head over to search, and then type in CMD, and you want to click on run as administrator, and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you want to open up the commands txt file, and then you want to copy and paste these two commands. So I'm just going to start with the first one. You want to paste it into here, click on enter. I already have it installed, so that's why it says this for me, but for you it should work. Paste it into here, click on enter. Again, because I already have it, it says this, but for you it will be different. So now you want to type in exit. Now you want to head over into the other folder, and then you want to find the DLL file. You want to right click on it, and then click on copy. Then you want to click on this PC, and then click on your C drive or where you have Windows installed, and you want to click on Windows, scroll down, and then click on syswow64. Then you want to paste the DLL file into here, so right click, click on paste, and then click on continue. Now for the last step, you want to head over to search, and type in services. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on any service, then click on W on your keyboard. Then you want to scroll down till you find Windows Security Service right here. You want to double click on it, and then you want to click on Start, and then click on OK. Now you want to restart the computer, and then the problem should be fixed.